My dear students, today I am going to start a problem in mathematics for class 10 mainly. It is about the upstream speed and downstream speed of a boat in a river. So this comes in the chapter of quadratic equation for class 10. Okay. Now here you see this is a lake or pond. Now in a lake or pond there is no water current. The water is called still water, S-T-I-L-L. But in a river there is current. Now suppose in this river this is the direction of current. Current is moving from left to right this way. Now in the direction of current we call it downstream. And if something is moving against the direction of current we call it upstream. So upstream means against the direction of current, and downstream means in the direction of current, that is along with the current. Now when a boat moves downstream in a river, when a boat moves downstream, that means in the direction of current, so it is pushed by current, it is helped by current in the movement, therefore its speed will increase. Its speed will be more than what is normal. Now when a boat is moving upstream means against the direction of current, then obviously it will be slowed down by the current because it is moving against the current. So its speed will be less than what is normal. Now when we say normal speed of a boat, we mean the speed of the boat in still water. So still water, that means in the lake water or pond water, in a closed mass of water. So the speed of a boat is called actual speed or normal speed, that is in still water. Now when the boat moves downstream, its speed is more than normal speed or actual speed, and when the boat moves upstream, its speed is less than normal or actual speed. All right. Now suppose normal speed of a boat is x. Speed of a boat is suppose x km per hour. Normal speed of a boat in still water is suppose x km per hour. And the speed of current in a river, suppose y km per hour. So y km per hour is the speed of water current in a river. And the next kilometer per hour is the actual speed of a boat in still water. Now when this boat moves downstream, so its speed will definitely increase. So increase by what? Y. That means its speed will be x plus y kilometer per hour when it moves downstream. When the boat moves downstream, that is in the direction of current, along with the current, so its speed will be more than what is normal, more than x. It increase by how much? Y. So it will be x plus y. So downstream speed will be x plus y kilometer per hour. And when the same boat moves upstream against the current, upstream, so its speed will decrease. It will be less than what is normal, less than x. Less by how much? Y. That means x minus y kilometer per hour. So downstream speed of the boat will be x plus y kilometer per hour, and upstream speed will be x minus y. So these two are called conjugate speed. Conjugate speed of the boat. So we say conjugate of speed of the boat downstream is x plus y kilometer per hour, and conjugate speed of the boat upstream is x minus y kilometer per hour. Now here one thing you notice, that this x is always greater than y. So in all your numerical problems, normal speed of the boat will always definitely be greater than the speed of the current. So x will be always greater than y. So when you add or subtract, x will come first. So it will be x minus y and x plus y. So not y minus x, it will be x minus y because x greater than y. All right. Okay, now let us consider a problem. Suppose in a problem it is given the distance a boat has to move is 24 kilometer per hour. This is the distance the boat is moving upstream or downstream. Alright, and the normal speed of the boat is given 18 kilometer per hour. This is the normal speed of the boat. That means speed of the boat in still water. Now, when the boat goes upstream, 24 kilometer, it takes 1 hour. It takes 1 hour more. So that is given in the question, suppose. So when the boat whose speed is 18 kilometer per hour goes 24 kilometer upstream, so it takes 1 hour more than the time taken by the boat to travel 24 kilometer downstream. That means difference between these two speeds is 1 hour. So that is what is given in the problem. Now the question is given, you are asked to find what is the speed of the current. So speed of the current in the river, that is the question. That is what you have to find out. So what is given, you note, the distance 24 kilometer is given. The speed of the normal speed of the boat is given 80 km per hour, and it is also given that the boat takes 1 hour more to go upstream than to come downstream. So difference between the two times is what? 1 hour. And then you are asked to find speed of the current. What is the speed of the current? Speed of the boat is given. Now to solve this problem, we have to take the help of this formula of from science, speed equal to what? Distance by time. So speed equal to distance by time. So from here we get time equal to what? Distance by speed, isn't it? So you know from science, speed equal to distance by time, therefore time equal to distance by speed. Now to solve this problem, we have to find out the time taken by the boat to go upstream, and we have to find also the time taken by the boat to come downstream. Now time, using time formula, we get distance by time is distance by speed. Therefore time taken by the boat to go upstream 24 kilometer will be what? That is equal to distance. Distance is 24 kilometer. Distance by speed. Speed is upstream speed is what? Upstream speed will be less. So 18 minus suppose y. Now what is y? So we have taken y here. Y is the what? This speed of the current we have to find out. So suppose it is y. So let the speed of the current which you have to find out, suppose it is y. So speed of the current is y. Now speed of the boat is 18. Therefore upstream speed will be 18 minus y. Upstream speed will be 18 minus y, isn't it? And therefore time taken upstream will be distance by speed 24 by 8 minus y. Similarly, time taken by the boat to come 24 kilometer downstream will be how much? So that will be equal to again distance by time, 24 kilometer distance by speed. Time is distance by speed. And what is the downstream speed? It will be the sum of these two, 18 kilometer plus y, 18 plus y. So 18 plus y. So time taken by the boat to go upstream is distance by speed. So distance is 24 kilometer, and upstream speed will be what? 18 minus y, because upstream speed c, difference between this x and y. So here x is given 18 kilometer. X is given 18 kilometer per hour. Now y you have to find out. Speed of the current you have to find out. Alright. Similarly, time downstream will be time taken by the boat downstream in the direction of current will be distance by speed again. So 24 kilometer is the distance, and speed is what? Downstream is x plus y. Now x is given 18, y we have to find out. So 18 plus y. Alright. Now difference between these two time is given 1 hour. Difference between these two time is given 1 hour. So which is more? This is more. Time taken upstream will be more than the time taken downstream. So this is more, this is less. So this minus this according to equation. So we get an equation this minus this. That means 24 by 18 minus y minus 24 by 18 plus y, that is equal to, time difference is what? It is given 1 hour. Alright, this is 1 hour. So that means that boat takes 1 hour more to go upstream than what it takes downstream. So the difference between the time is 1 hour. So you got an equation. Now only question is solving the equation. So now try to solve it. So try to solve it. So how to solve this? 24 you take common. So 1 by 18 minus y. Now you can solve it different way. So I am solving this way. This is one of the easiest way. So 24 you can take common, no? Then the figures will be less. So 1 by 18 plus y, that is equal to 1. So this equal to now 24. Now here we find LCM. 18 minus y, isn't it? 18 plus y. So we get 18 plus y minus 18 minus plus y equal to 1. So we get 24 into, isn't it? So this is a plus b, a minus b, 18 square minus y square. Alright. So here the y 18 cancel. So we get 2y. 2y, that is equal to 1. Now let us solve it further. So 24 into 2y, 24 into 2y, that is then equal to, if we cross multiply, 18 square minus y square. So the solving part you can do as you want. So 24 2y, that means 48y. 48y equal to 48y equal to 18 square is 324. 18 square 324 minus y square. So we get a quadratic equation. Y square comes this side. Y square plus 48y. Y square plus 48y minus 324. 324 equal to 0, isn't it? Now we have to solve this equation. So by solving you will get, so you can use a formula if you want, right? (24 into 18), that is now you can use formula y equal to, now this solving part you can do by factorization method or formula method, whichever you like. Suppose you use a formula, so minus b, so minus 48 minus b plus minus root over b square means 48 square minus 4ac, that is 4 into b square minus 4ac, so it will be plus 4 into 324. So using the formula twice a, that is 2. Alright, so it will be 2 minus 48 plus minus 48 square, find out what you get. So by solving you can get the answer. So finally you will get y equal to (48 square is 48 square plus, this is 1296, 48 square plus minus 48 square plus 1296. All right, so you will get finally this quantity 2, so minus 48, this will be plus minus, and this value you work out this one, so you will get 60. 48 square plus 1296, so this value will be 60. Okay, so finally you get 2, so 1 minus 48 minus 60, so 1 will be minus 108. This will be one value, and another value will be 12 by 2. So that means one value will be minus 54 and the other value will be 6. Now minus 54 is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible because y is speed. Now speed cannot be negative. Speed cannot be negative, so this value is rejected. Therefore y value is 6. So therefore finally answer is what? Speed of the river current. Speed of the current which you have to find out is 6 km per hour. 6 km. See the final answer. Alright. Now main thing is the first concept that we discussed, but this solution part you can do anyway. I did by using formula. The formula I think you know, minus b equal to, what was the formula? Y equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, isn't it? By twice a. Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. I followed? So you can use formula or you can factorize it. Okay? So main thing is to get this quadratic equation, y square plus 48y minus 324. Then you can do it. So this is the way. I hope you understood. So this is a very important topic in your class 10 maths. Okay? All right. Thank you, my dear friends. Okay for today.